This video is sponsored by Artlist. Go get the stand for key light is gonna kind of be the practical, but we're gonna set up the Pavotube to act like the light is coming from the practical, but it's really not. This is like my little director's monitor that's on me. Because they use haze in almost every scene. Okay, so what we're gonna do is set up our main, actually it's not gonna be the key light. The key light is gonna kind of be the practical, but we're gonna set up the Pavotube to act like the light is coming from the practical, but it's really not. And then we're gonna set up this light to give us a cool hazy look that's coming out from like that street lamp out there, making it look like it's coming through these windows, and we're gonna have haze in the back of the subject there to kind of spread the light throughout the room. So we're gonna set up our light here, and we're gonna put it over here. Like that. I like it. And that's only at 11%. That's actually pretty bright. Oh yeah, we might diffuse that a little bit just in case it's not too bright or too harsh coming through. I'm gonna keep that, oh, sorry. Oh, this is gonna look sick with the, once we open this up and then we get the haze in here. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the haze on for a sec just to see how this looks. Let's turn this TV off. Okay, so we are gonna be shooting the red Petzval 55mm 1.7. This Petzval actually gives off a crazy look. But first, we are going to do some black shading on the red. This is like my little director's monitor that's on me, just so like I can run outside, change the lighting, and then I can see on this, see what it looks like. Very handy if you have a Red Komodo. The only downfall to the red is that it takes forever to calibrate. Here. Look straight again. Look over this way. Yeah. That looks good.
Oh, you know that.
Yeah. This is what it looks like with diffusion on the practical. Just keep looking like that, Frank. And that's what it looks like without diffusion. The reason why we're using orange is because we're gonna make the background pop, because the background's a different color, or sorry, different temperature. But I feel like we need some neg here to make this a little darker. Okay, so this is basically the shot that we kind of just built from scratch. So to start from the beginning, we got our practical slash lamp over here, and then we have the Pavotube kind of just like accelerating the lamp itself, making it more bright because I can't hook up this lamp to my Wi-Fi for some reason. And then we have our powerful light outside in the backyard coming through the house or through the blinds with haze kind of just spreading the light apart, giving it more of like a moody slash Umbrella Academy look, because they used haze in almost every scene. And we're gonna step over there and do another scene with the blinds and then so forth. A word from our sponsor. Yo, Frank.
Yo.
Have you heard of this platform called Artlist? It's for music, templates, and a whole bunch of other stuff for creators.
Is that a place where you get the music without all that drama, like musical Tinder for creators?
Exactly. No swiping left on copyright issues.
So no awkward dates with questionably free music?
Nope, just a smooth, seamless relationship with Artlist. It's like a creative love story without the legal drama. Artlist allows you to have unlimited downloads with over 100,000 assets, all royalty free. Artlist has everything you need to get your content creation started. They make searching easy and allows you to find what you really need. including templates, sound effects, and much more. Sign up today by using the link in the description below and get an extra 2 months for free. All we did was use a practical. I actually brought this practical with me from my studio. Pavotube's great lighting source to be used for videos. And then also the Neewer 120 watt that I have outside that is bringing that light coming through behind me. So that's it for today's video. We'll see you guys on the next one.